Good evening, friends. We are going to study about the theme of Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. Previously, we have studied in the previous video, we have studied the critical analysis of Pride and Prejudice and the summaries of Pride and Prejudice. So now we are studying the theme of Pride and Prejudice. Now, one of the main theme of Pride and Prejudice is marriage. Throughout the novel, the author describes the various types of marriage and the reason behind them. So the novel begins also with these lines that it is a truth universally acknowledged that a single man in possession of a good fortune must be in want of a wife. The novel demonstrates how many women need to marry men they are not in love with and simply in order to gain financial security. The first instance of marriage seen in the novel is between Mr. and Mrs. Bennet. How it is far from perfect couple. They barely speak to each other and Mr. Bennet is always throwing sarcasm on Mrs. Bennet. And Mrs. Bennet is irritated and she ends up taking imprudent decisions on her own. For the most part, women could neither according to the customs of that time, the women could not acquire any money or any heritage. So they are dependent on marriage for good fortune. Austen promotes gender equality throughout the novel and considers women's inferior status to be socially unjust. Ironically, Mrs. Bennet single-minded pursuit to get her daughter married tends to backfire as her lack of social grace has alienated her from people she is trying to impress. So her lack of social grace and her imprudent decisions, they seem to backfire on her only, and the people they run away from her or they criticize the Mrs. Bennet and her younger daughters for their behavior. Austen uses her continuously to highlight the necessity of marriage for young women. Mrs. Bennet also serves as a middle class counterpart of such upper class snobs like Lady Catherine. So Mrs. Bennet is very much imprudent in her decisions, in her way of talking, in her way of behaving, and Lady Catherine, she is very much sophisticated lady in her way of talking and behaving. So these are shown as two counterparts. In the 19th century, it was very common for women to marry purely for money and for social status. This can be seen in Charlotte's marriage to Colin. Charlotte's marriage to Colin injects a grim note into the comedic presence of Colin's character so far. So the Colin's character has been a very comic one in the novel so far, but when he gets married to Charlotte, he becomes a little serious about the life. And Charlotte marries Colin because of the reason that he is going to inherit the Bennet estate, and simply for social and financial security she is married Colin. She doesn't love him, and she knows that Colin also will never love her because she is a woman of very low society, of very low class. So she will not have any romantic love between them. Still, she marries for financial security. Now, Elizabeth is an idealistic who will marry solely for love. Now, in the character of Elizabeth, Austen has shown the real view that one should have for marriage. One should marry for love. Now, Charlotte finds that this is a good opportunity to have a secured future, and she gets married to Collins. But I believe that Austen is showing the reader that marrying only for physical appearance is wrong. Beauty fades with time. Charlotte Lucas marries Mr. Colin for money, and Charlotte accepts his proposal for the pure disinterest desire of an establishment. So she is not interested, but again she marries him. And the brother of Charlotte, they are very happy to get him married to such a person who will never love her, but they think that she may die as a spinster, and she may become old and as a spinster, and in the old age she may become dependent on both the brothers. So it is good that she is getting married off. So this is the view that they are having. So students, this was the first part of the theme of Pride and Prejudice, and the source of the theme is e-notes. You can have a detailed discussion or detailed study there also. Thank you.